In today's video, I'm going to teach you add and remove users from SharePoint groups on your site, Microsoft SharePoint Fundamentals. To follow along, make sure you're signed in and have permission to manage site permissions, typically as a site owner or someone with full control. We'll start by opening your organization's SharePoint homepage, then heading to the specific site where you want to manage access. Once you're on that site, look to the upper right corner and select the gear icon. From the menu that appears, choose Site Permissions. This takes you to a concise overview of who can access your site. Next, select Advanced Permission Settings. This opens the Classic Permissions page, where you'll see the SharePoint groups associated with your site, commonly owners, members, and visitors. Click the group you want to manage. This group page lists everyone who currently has that level of access. To add people, choose New, then Add Users to Group. A panel or dialog will appear where you can type the names or email addresses of the users you want to include. SharePoint will suggest matches from your directory as you type, which helps avoid typos. This is also a good moment to double check you're adding users to the correct group, since members typically have edit rights, visitors have read-only access, and owners have full control. When you're ready, click Share to finalize. SharePoint will add those users to the group and, depending on your organization's configuration, may send them a notification. If you need to remove users, stay on the same group page. Find the person or people you want to remove and check the box next to their names. Then, in the ribbon at the top, click Actions and select Remove Users from Group. SharePoint will prompt you to confirm. Click OK. The users are now removed from this group and will lose the permissions granted by it. This change applies to the current site's group only, so it won't affect their access elsewhere unless those sites rely on the same group. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use groups rather than assigning permissions directly to individuals. Groups make it easier to manage changes as your team evolves. If you don't see advanced permissions or the new and actions options, you likely don't have sufficient rights on this site. Reach out to a site owner or admin. Finally, if changes don't appear immediately to users, a quick refresh or signing out and back in can help permissions update on their end. That's it. You've seen how to add and remove users from SharePoint groups confidently and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and happy SharePoint managing.